Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by enabling the hotspot on your phone and gathering facts. Turn the hotspot on, set a secure password, and pick the AP band. 5 GHz often isolates devices more. Next, check the phone's hotspot status page to see the assigned WAN IP and any NAT type label. If the IP is in a carrier-grade NAT range, you already know where the limitation comes from. Once done, note device model, OS version, and carrier. Those details matter for later steps. Now you'll change network settings to open NAT behavior. If your phone supports tethering modes, enable bridged or pass-through so the client gets a public IP. Otherwise, switch bands to see if assignment differs. If the hotspot device exposes port forwarding, add rules for the specific ports and protocols your app or console needs, or enable UPnP for automatic mapping. Test by rebooting both devices and running a connection test on the client. Make sure to record which ports you forwarded and retest if results lag. Finish by validating changes and applying a fallback if needed. If you still see carrier-grade NAT, call your carrier and request a public IP4, a static IP, or native IP6. Explain the service need. Alternatively, install a VPN or tunneling service that supports port forwarding, or use a cloud relay service for persistent inbound connections. Once configured, reboot hotspot and client, run the app's network check, and confirm open NAT. If it fails, check ports, restart, and provide carrier logs when seeking support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.